We're going to make an easy berry pie. We've let some frozen berries thaw. With frozen berries, you do want to leave them out and drain them. Start this a little bit early, let these thaw. The other thing we're doing, we are using frozen pie crust. One of them we took out when we took out the berries because it's going to be the top, and we'll get back to that. So those are two things that we did before we started the camera besides preheating our oven. Watch how fast this comes together. We take the berries that are drained, just going to put them in a bowl. We're just going to add a little bit of sugar, even though these are sweet. And we're going to add just a little bit of flour. And you're just going to mix this together. This is your filling. So there's your filling right there. My other pie crust is still frozen, so let me pull that out. So we've got second pie crust. It's rather convenient. There were two in here, and these are deep dish. What's also great, you do not have to pre-bake this for a few minutes. We're just going to put this together pretty quickly and get it in the oven. Now I've got a little cup of water, and because we're going to meld two pie crusts together, wet your bottom crust. This other frozen crust that's been sitting around, get it over here and come across. The nice thing is you've got your little bowl of water. If for some reason it wants to crack and doesn't want to come out very easily, we got a little extra. And you go, oh, it's indented. That doesn't look nice and full. Well, you can put more berries. You can make 1.5 recipes. As I say, I prefer to make sure it's not going to make a whole hot mess. Sometimes you got to play with it just a little bit so you don't have quite as much overlap. But the other important thing, even though this is easy, and I'll see that we've got a couple of cracks, we're just going to wet it just a little bit, but you can sort of seal a couple of little pieces. But most important, you do need to vent the top. If nothing else, you can just do this. But the bottom line is, you've got to let those berries, when they're releasing their moisture, there's got to be a way to release that steam. Well, I'm going to give it a big vent if I can. Come on! You can do anything you want. You can also do lattice work. Now, we're just going to put a little more water on the outside. And then I'm going to just take a fork and just sort of seal them together just a little bit. Doesn't this make it look just a little more homemade? It looks now like you've made a homemade crust because it's a little wonky. I'm going to add just a little bit of water to the top. I'm just doing this because I am going to sprinkle just a little bit of sugar on the top. And sometimes people will tell you, put it in the oven, and when the pieces start to brown, cover the edges. We're going to do the opposite. We're going to make a pie crust shield out of aluminum foil. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off for the last 10 minutes of cooking rather than peeking and making sure things aren't too brown and then putting some aluminum foil. You remember that little star? Why do you want to waste that crust? Beep, 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 beep. Ooh, look how pretty!
Where's your star?
If you put little pieces of pie crust in, remember and set a timer. You know, the higher parts are starting to already brown. That's fantastic. So we're going to just be careful, but just take off the foil. We want to put it back in the oven long enough to let that pie crust just crisp up just a little bit more. Beep, 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 beep. You see all of that berry goodness bubbling up. And it was simple. It looks all fancy.
So the pie has been cooling for 4 hours. You don't want to cut it right when it comes out of the oven or soon after, not while it's hot at all because it's berries. So you'll just have an ocean of berry running away from your pie. The first piece is the hardest one to get out of here.
That's right.
Without mucking up. So mine will probably be the least attractive, but let's see. Oh, looked like I did a pretty good job. See how perfecto that looks? And look at this here. You got no juice or anything in there. It's just nice, firm pie filling. You can put more pie filling in here if you want, but the key to a delicious berry pie is making sure you have the ratio of crust to filling.
Oh, that's a Chef Buck bite. Good gravy. If you want to check out the recipe, go over to myfoodchannel.com.